Alright everybody, welcome back to Keats 60 Hotshot Adventures. We are not working on a Ford today. We are working on a second generation Dodge Ram, half ton. Brake line popped on the other side, so I just replaced the entire line. I don't mess with that stuff. Alright, so we're using this Master Cool brake tool. Make sure, put this on there when you're at this point, when this is the last part of the job. You really don't want to forget that. So what happens here is you make sure you got your 3/16. I'm using some copper NiCap. Great brake line, easy to work with. Use this guy first. It's got the little tip on it. Says 3/16 on it. That goes in there first. Line it when you're feeding it in. Make sure you line up the tip, because the tip isn't going to auto align itself. You'll, like me the first time, you'll smash the end and you'll have to cut the line and start over. So make sure it goes in the hole perfectly. Once you do that, get the cone. Then go ahead and turn your screw. Pump it a bunch of times. And then once you're done, you should have something like that. You have a little bubble fitting. Once all that's done, go ahead and release it. Pull out your fitting. We'll do that here in just a second. Alright, didn't want to see all that shaking around, so here we go. Popped it out of its little hole. Slide down your fitting. Boom. Kind of check the end, make sure it looks like it's seated. It's going to seat good. And then next step is I'm just going to fight with making sure I get it straight in the hole so I don't cross thread anything. I'm going to probably throw a little anti-seize on the threads in case I have to remove it again in 15 years. And bleed the brakes. So that was we'll call that a quick tool Saturday or something there. Alright everybody, have a good weekend.